Hello, backbenchers. Get ready to twist and turn those tongues because today on English for Backbenchers, we are diving into the delightful world of tongue twisters. It's time to master English pronunciation and have some fun along with way. Let's jump right in. Tongue twisters are like linguistic gymnastics for your mouth. Today, we are taking on the challenge with 7 tongue twisters that will not only improve your pronunciation but also leave your grinning with the sheer joy of saying the unsayable. Tongue twister number 1. She sails seashells by the seashore. Explanation. This classic twister helps practice the she sound and challenges your ability to articulate similar sounds without a break. Tongue twister number 2. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Explanation. A playful twister that helps with the P sound and is excellent for working on precision and speed. Tongue twister number 3. How can a claim creme in a clean cream can? Explanation. This twister challenges your ability to switch between different sounds smoothly, particularly with the C sounds. Tongue twister number 4. Unique New York. Explanation. Focused on the U and N sounds, this twister is great for practicing clear enunciation. Tongue twister number 5. 6 slippery snails slid slowly seaward. Explanation. A challenging one that combines the S and she sounds, enhancing your ability to switch between similar sounds effortlessly. Tongue twister number 6. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Explanation. A quick repetition of similar sounds, particularly the R and I sounds, perfect for improving diction. Tongue twister number 7. Toy boat. Explanation. A short and sweet twister that challenges the T and B sounds in quick succession. Practical tips. Tip number 1. Start slow. Focus on clarity and gradually increase speed as you become more comfortable. Tip number 2. Practice in front of a mirror to observe your mouth movements and correct any pronunciation challenges. There you have it. Backbenchers, tongue twisters are a playful way to master English pronunciation. If you enjoyed the challenge, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more linguistic adventures, and share your favorite tongue twister in the comments. Until next time, keep twisting those tongues and keep learning.